Understanding the phrase, missing a stroke. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the phrase, missing a stroke. This phrase can be a bit puzzling, especially for non-native speakers, so we're here to clear up any confusion and help you understand its meaning and usage. Let's dive in. Missing a stroke is an idiom that typically implies a momentary lapse or failure in a regular pattern or activity. It's often used to describe a situation where someone momentarily loses their rhythm or concentration in something they are regularly good at. Imagine a skilled rower who suddenly misses a beat with their oar. That's the literal picture. But we use it metaphorically in various contexts. The phrase, missing a stroke, has its roots in rowing and other rhythmic activities. In rowing, missing a stroke can disrupt the flow and speed of the boat. Over time, this expression has been adopted in everyday language to describe any sort of small but noticeable mistake or lapse in a process that is usually smooth and uninterrupted. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace. During the presentation, John missed a stroke and forgot the statistics he was supposed to share. 2. In personal life, I usually remember all my appointments, but I missed a stroke and forgot our lunch date. 3. In sports commentary, the player was doing well but missed a stroke in the final round, costing the team the game. When using missing a stroke, it's important to remember that it's typically used for momentary lapses rather than big mistakes. It's perfect for situations where there's a small deviation from the norm, which is noticeable but not necessarily catastrophic. That's all for today's session on the phrase, missing a stroke. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this idiom correctly in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.